What's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs in Windows 11 the correct way. There's a few ways you can go about it. The first one we're going to do is go ahead in the settings, and then you want to click on this hamburger button right here, and you're going to click on apps. Then you want to go ahead and click on installed apps, and whatever app you're looking for, whether you're looking for a specific one or just trying to clean up some house, all you want to do is go ahead and click on these like three dots right over here. So we're going to just clear this one out for the time being and click on uninstall, and then just confirm that we're going to uninstall it, and it's going to ask you one more time, and yes, we're sure. As you can see, it did go away. Another way you can do it is by searching for the control panel, so we're just going to click on it since I recently searched for it. Then you want to go ahead and click on programs, and right over here you can see in this other list right here, and I have one, I know this FileZilla I wanted to get rid of right here, and then you just want to select that and then click on uninstall. It's going to prompt you to ask if you really want to make changes to your device, and you want to click yes, and from here you can go ahead and click uninstall right here. Some programs might require you to reboot the computer. I want to finish this recording, so I am going to go ahead and manually reboot this later, then click finish. If this video does help you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you are new. Have a good one.